This is the lock out of my fifth wheel trailer. The deadbolt stopped working the other day. I thought something was broken. You go online, you see everybody replacing these things. You know, the back plate, which is outside, is the one with the red lever. You know, you activate your deadbolt with the red lever here. Mine stopped working and was very, very loose. I just took the lock out of the door, and this plate, which you see there's two screws here, was extremely loose, and a lever fell out of it. So I don't think it's broken. Let's see what happens. So I've taken the plate off. I put the lever in. You can see there's an indent there and there. You turn this, there you go, look. Deadbolt's working. So I don't think this was broken at all. So if yours is not working, take it apart. You might not need to buy a new one. So I put the lever back in. Make sure these two screws here, that one and that one, are super tight. Let's put the key in. There's your deadbolt. Hear the click? We've owned this trailer for 3.5 years. I've never heard it click like that before. The lock's always been loose. It suddenly stopped working 3 days ago. I thought I needed a new one, but that's where your problem is. Just take the plate off, put the lever back in. If it stopped working, tighten those screws, and you're good to go. So the lock has been reinstalled, and look at this. That's the stiffest it's ever been, but she's definitely working. It works with the key, and it works inside the trailer, so we're good.